Hello and welcome to my home. I'm going to show you the quick, easy way to fry scrapple. Yes, scrapple. It's an old-time southern favorite that you will enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, I've opened the package and now I have it out in one big block. That's how it comes out, one big block. And what you do is you slice it in fairly good sliced chunks, about 3/8 of an inch to a ½ inch. If you slice it too thin, it will crumble in your pan, and if you slice it too thick, you'll have a hard time getting it done in the middle while being crispy on the outside. So I'm slicing it up. I have my pan sprayed lightly with some spray oil and heating it up, and though once I finish slicing my slices, it'll be ready to go. My scrapple has been cooking for a little bit. I'm going to gently check to see how it's looking underneath it. It's starting to get really nice, and it will pop, so don't be scared. It's not the end of the world. It's just popping a little bit. Just gently turn it over. If you need to use a spoon to help you with the spatula to turn it over, then go ahead and do that. I'm just going to gently use my fingers to check under it, flip it, get nice and crusty. So we're going to do the same on the other side. It'll get nice and crusty. Yep, it's going to pop. I warned you, it's going to pop, but that's okay. Just be on the guard for that. That's how simple it is. That's all there is to it. Open the package, slice it, spray a non-stick pan, and start frying. We'll come back here when it's all nice and done. Look, here's the finished product. Look how crispy and brown that is. And the inside is soft and tender. You can serve this with some fruit, serve it with some grits, serve it with some eggs. But right now I'm going to serve myself some and see how this tastes. Now look at that. The inside is nice, creamy, yummy. I'm going in. The texture of the crispiness of the outside and the creaminess of the inside, the spices that they put into the scrapple. This is delicious. You gotta get some and cook some for your family. That's it.